What's up everybody, it's Ollie from OmniTub here. I wanted to go through a number of tubs with you today. We've got some really lovely systems, systems that we create here at OmniTub. We are hand making the tubs from scratch. As you guys know, we're checking out our site omnitab.co.uk. We've got 4 different tubs to go through. Might even clip these up individually afterwards and put them up onto the site. But we've got some tubs here that we haven't actually shown in terms of size with systems in. So I think it's really good to go through them and show you the size of the tubs with the systems inside of it. You would have seen that we've taken away the configurator from the site and we're currently just doing system orders over the phone. That's purely because we're working on some new stuff for 2022, which is going to make it easier to order than what we had before. With our expanding range, we're currently at 17 and I'm just about to open up again ready for bespoke. So we'll be up to 25 in no time. It was just too much for the configurator, that's why it's gone. So if you've been looking for a long time and was using the configurator and was enjoying it, and then was wondering where it's gone, that's why it's not there. It was just been doing it over the phone for quite a while. What I've got here is an 1800 by 800 by 600 deep soaking tub, handmade here in Somerset. I'm at manufacturing today, different from the other location where I've shot quite a few videos and stuff like that. This is an 1800 by 800. It's absolutely stunning. It's got a lovely size to it. Really lovely for 2 people, really nice for 1 person, depending on how you're feeling. We've got 18 Whirlpool jets. Remember, they're the jets on the side of the tub. They're predominantly water jets. They do have an airflow feed through them, but they are predominantly a water jet, and the airflow adjusts the power of the water by adjusting the diverter in this case, or by powering the tub up and down, because this has the touch controls with the power boost, 5 different level settings, including the massage setting, which is really smart. We've got 2 lights, we've got 18 air jets, and we've got the touch controls on this tub. The air jets are in the base, they're just air, and they're controlled by the blower, the secondary pump system on the tub. So if you have the air jets and the water jets together, this is what you're going to get. 2 pump system, which has multiple levels of power, which you can enable through the touch controls, as well as the diverter switch. Just going to take you to the touch controls just quickly, because I'm conscious I haven't really ever gone through this before. But essentially we've got 4 different functions on the touch controls. We've got the water jet function, which is just here. Turn it on, the water jets come on. The air jets come on with this one. You power it up and down with this one, and you control the lights with this one. So this is suitable to be on the tub, inside the tub, and also off the tub if you want to. We've got a jet fill on this tub as well, which is positioned just over here, specifically for where the customer wanted it to go. And essentially the layout on this tub is going to be that there is access on this side. This can be a false wall, and we're going to have the controls above the tub here. It's just why the jet fill made sense to be here. And then we've got access on this side as well. So there's a bit of access on this tub, which is quite nice, and we go through all of that sort of stuff with you guys post-purchase anyway. We just agree the spec, first of all, and then we create the tub afterwards in terms of the layout and things like that for you guys. So there are some changes coming in 2022, which would be pretty smart, but I thought I wanted to get this out for the holiday season. So anyone considering a Whirlpool tub for their bathroom, for inside, outside, for their commercial project or whatever, then this is something that we create here in Somerset. Really lovely systems. We've got 18 jets on the sides, as I said. The pattern has been laid up specifically for the client. We've got a nice 10 deck on the back, 6 in the center, 2 either side, creating a nice 10. We've got 3 on each side, 2 on the feet. Personally, I do quite like it having 4 on the feet, because I know it is nice hitting the ankle and then hitting the top of the foot. So I personally would more so sacrifice one of the jets in the middle and just have the 2 on the sides to have 10 on the back, 4 on the feet, 2 on each side, and also then you can put the suction pump in the middle of the tub so it looks more symmetrical. But because we've got 3 in the middle here, we haven't done that on this particular tub. As I said, we've got 2 lights on this system. They're both on one side for the light to beam into the room or against the wall, depending on how the bathroom's going to be laid up. This one in particular, I'm pretty sure is going into the room, because I'm sure this is the solid wall piece here. I'm sure that's what it we're doing in this one. Systems are really, really tight. They just have 1 power connector. We've got a fuse box over here, which is super important just to get across again. The 1 fuse box system in there That then just goes into one power inlet, 13 amp fuse in the bathroom or just slightly away from, with the length of cable that's provided there. You can create a fuse or spur off or something into the bathroom, obviously within compliance and regs and stuff like that. And essentially, this is for a UK tub. I will just say, because we do get a lot of inquiries from US customers, for US orders, we do have specific sets and layups for US orders, but we'll ship out US pumps and pieces and stuff like that, so we can help and accommodate those orders. We do get a lot of requests for that, and we do a lot of those orders. We can ship internationally, we can ship these tubs over to the States. They get crated, they get sent over air freight. All of the customs charges, etc., are all dealt with through one payment, which is all done through one booking system on shipping. So that's no worries. Things like Ireland, no problem. France, Germany, Spain, Italy, we've done a few recently. Portugal, don't know if I said that, we've done quite a few there. But a lot goes to Ireland, Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. Shipping over there is no problem at all. I have stopped shipping internationally. Current recording is 14th of December. We're not shipping anything out now until the 5th of January. So for international wise. So things like that for the new year is going to probably be even easier than what it has been over the last month or so. We've got some really good traction now with that. So this system here is available. We can manufacture this system for you. This system setup and layup is available for any of the sizes. They are perfectly okay to shower over. I do get asked that quite a bit. So I'm going to make sure I keep saying that. You can shower over these tubs, there's no issues. Solid base underneath the tub. We've got an extended baseboard as well, which is super sturdy, very well insulative on the side of things. And there was another thing I wanted to say as well. What was it? Got asked it a lot. Shoot. I'll see if I can remember it for another one of the videos we got, because I've got some other ones that I'm going to make as well. But essentially, this here is a very nice system. It's going to go to a great place, and I'm sure the installs are going to be great. I will attach this to the product page for the Deluxe Plus as well, because I'm conscious I haven't currently got that. That was it. It was about the jet fill. I just want to bring your attention just to the jet fill real quick, because I think it's really important. The purpose of this piece here is to fill the tub through the jets. That's the Whirlpool jets on the side of the tub. The water will go through. Okay. This is just a fill function. You need to connect a set of controls, mixer taps, or wall-mounted mixers, either to the tub or to the wall, depending on the mixer systems you've got, to be able to adjust the temperature, flow rate into the tub. So the purpose of this is to flush the water through the system, back into the tub, and fill it. The system is equipped with a blow-dry system, so as the sensors that are around the tub go low, then they will blow the air blower functions through the jets and clear it out, making it bone dry. So it's a super cool system. It's like really well thought out, really, really good system, very well insulative, stays warm at temperature for a really long time, and everything we make is bespoke. So if you have certain requirements or you have a certain idea of jets and stuff that you want to create, it's something that I'm going to be able to help you with. Just hit us up on WhatsApp. You can press the button on the website omnitab.co.uk. It says WhatsApp Ollie in the bottom. You can send us a message on Instagram. You can call us on 01934 751 200. Email us at info@omnitab.co.uk. Messenger, Facebook's okay. So anyway, really, if there's anything you want to go through, feel free to reach out. I hope this has been useful for some people. Be with you really soon. I'll see you later on.